In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image using the image rotation menu. If your photo is sideways, upside down, or you just want a precise angle for design purposes, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to rotate the entire image canvas cleanly and confidently. Start by opening your image and heading to the top menu bar. Click Image, then choose Image Rotation. This is the dedicated place for rotating the whole canvas, which means every layer and element in your document will rotate together. It's different from rotating just a single layer or simply changing the view. This actually sets the new orientation of your file. You'll see four options. The first is 90° clockwise. Pick this when you want the image to turn to the right, which is perfect if a portrait photo ended up in landscape orientation or vice versa. The second is 90° counterclockwise, which turns the image to the left. Use that when the photo needs to swing the other way. Both of these are fast, clean rotations, ideal for correcting orientation without any guesswork. Next is 180 degrees. This flips your image upside down, essentially rotating it halfway around a full circle. It's handy for images that were captured completely inverted or when you want a dramatic reversal in composition. Finally, there's arbitrary. Choose this if you need a custom angle. A small dialog will appear where you can type in any degree value. You can select clockwise or counterclockwise, or simply enter a positive or negative number depending on the direction you prefer. This is great for fine corrections like straightening a horizon by a few degrees or for creative tilts. Just keep in mind that non-right angle rotations typically involve resampling, which can introduce slight softness. That's normal in most editors. If you're after the crispest result, stick to 90° or 180° when possible. Once you pick your option, the canvas is rotated instantly. Because this adjusts the entire document, guides, text, and images all move together to match the new orientation. If it doesn't look quite right, don't worry, use undo to step back and try a different angle. As a quick recap, go to Image, then Image Rotation.